In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood step by step. Investing can seem daunting, but platforms like Robinhood have made it simpler and more accessible, especially with the option to purchase fractional shares. This essentially means you can own a piece of a stock or exchange-traded fund, or ETF, without needing to buy a full share. It's a fantastic way to get started with investing, or to diversify your portfolio if you have a tighter budget. To kick things off, visit the Robinhood website. You'll need to open your web browser and type in robinhood.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by their sleek homepage boasting commission-free stock trading and investing. Robinhood is known for their user-friendly interface, which is perfect for both beginners and more seasoned traders. The first task is to log in. On the top right corner of the page, you'll notice the Login button. Click it, and it will direct you to the login interface. Make sure you have your credentials ready, your email and password, because you'll need these to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Robinhood homepage. This hub gives you a quick overview of your portfolio, any watch lists you've created, and the latest market news. Now, let's find a stock or ETF to invest in. The next step is to click on the search bar located at the top of the screen. Once the search bar is activated, type in the name of the stock or ETF you're interested in. Robinhood's search feature is efficient, often providing suggestions even as you start typing, which makes the process quicker. Once you've found the stock or ETF you're interested in, click on it to open up the stock page. This page is packed with useful information such as the current price, historical performance data, and various other metrics. Spend some time reviewing this information, as it will help you make an informed decision. When you're ready to make a purchase, locate the Trade button. It's prominently displayed on the stock page. Clicking on this brings up a menu where you can specify whether you want to buy a full share or a fractional share. Choose the Buy option and then select Fractional Shares. You'll be prompted to enter the dollar amount you wish to invest rather than the number of shares, which is a handy feature for those looking to spend a specific amount rather than a fixed number of shares. Once you've entered the amount, follow through with the purchase by clicking Confirm. It's as simple as that. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully bought fractional shares on Robinhood, paving your way into the world of investing. Happy trading, and remember to invest wisely.